Hi, this is Fabienne Cola. Today I want to talk to you about something that is very, very important. Many people believe to start anything that the timing should be perfect. They're waiting for a sign from God or from the universe so they can know exactly when the perfect timing is approaching. Well, let me tell you something. The time will never be perfect. The timing will never be ideal. You need to start right here, right now, with the proper resources that you have, where you have, with what you have. And then people will start aligning to come and help you, and then you will find the resources along the way. You will have a bunch of stuff coming your way to keep growing your business, your project, or whatever you're trying to do. So stop waiting for the perfect timing, because the perfect timing simply doesn't exist. So you need to start right here, right now with what you have. Stop raising the bar so high. When you will have this, you will start. When you will have that money, that this, that, whatever. No, start right now. Now, I know what you've been thinking. You might be saying, well, Fabienne, I need to start something, but I don't have enough money to do it or whatever. Stop it. There's so many things today that you can start barely with almost no money. Basically, literally with almost no money. In today's day and age, seriously, think about it. There are so many things that you can do, that you can start with almost no money or very little money or very little investment. So money cannot stop you from doing anything you want to do. That's wrong excuse, okay? So I urge you today to start making your plan, drafting your plan for whatever you want to do, be it a project or a business plan or whatever it is, so you can start very quickly. And I know exactly what you're saying in your head. You might be saying, well, I don't have a team. I cannot do that project alone. I cannot do that business alone. I cannot do this alone because I don't have a team. I don't have anybody to help me. But guess what? Nobody wants to get on a bus or on a train that is not moving. So if you want to attract people that can help you, if you want to attract people, resources around you for your project, your business, your idea, your whatever, you need to get moving. You need to get going on your own. And when people will see that you're moving, that you're going somewhere, that you're determined, that you have an objective, you have a goal, and it's clear and it's exciting, you're excited about your project, you have something going on, well, of course, people will definitely say, hey, let me give you a hand there. Oh, hey, let me help you there. Oh, call me anytime. I'll be there for you. Yeah. Let me know. Let's work together. Let me do this for you. Let me do that. Let me help you. I can do this. I can do that. But until you get going, until you get moving, nobody will get interested by nothing, because if you're not doing anything, how do you expect people to come and help? How do you expect people to come and follow you? How do you expect people to come and say, hey, let's do this, it's exciting? Because there's nothing. So please get up and start working on your project, start working on your business, start working on something, the thing that you want to do or you've been waiting to do for the longest time. There's no ideal time. There's no time more ideal than now, than today. Barack Obama used to say, there's such a thing as being too late. Guess what? If you don't start right here, right now, with your project or your business or anything that you want to put out in the world, that your community so desperately needs, that service, that thing that only you know better than anybody how to do, if you don't start it, if you don't offer it, if you don't offer that service, that product, that business, or that project, you don't put it together, well, you know what? You might as well be too late one day. The competition might blow you away, might be too tough for you to bear. So start right here, right now, while you feel it's the time, while you feel the urge of putting it out in the universe. Start right here, right now. So I urge you to today, get your pen, get your pencil, get a piece of paper, and then start drawing, start writing your plan to start this project, this business, this idea, this product, this service that you want to launch. Start it right here, right now. And the world will thank you for that. And remember, you have this little thing that only you can provide, only you have. Stop procrastinating. Stop the wait. And let's go and kick butt. Let's start something. I hope you're gonna definitely take my challenge to get up and go kick butt and get in the game and start your project or your business or your service or your product or whatever you want to do. And tell me about it. Tell me if this video has been useful and if you would like me to help somehow. If you have any thing that you're struggling with, that you don't know how to start, where to start, or whatever, and then maybe I'll do another video on some other topics related to starting a business and launching an idea or a project or whatever. But the best thing is you need to get going, you need to start, and then the resources will be there and coming on the way. Nothing will be there around you before you even start. You have to start first, and then you acquire more resources along the way, and more people will join you. And then let me tell you, one day, if you follow that, one day you will be unstoppable. What has been keeping you, what has been making you procrastinate so much, and then how maybe I can send you some advice or anything and share them, and then maybe I can just give a hand there. So I can't wait to hear from you, and I urge you all to start right here, right now with what you have, whatever venture you want to start. The time is now. The ideal time just simply doesn't exist. If it does exist, well, it's right here, right now. Hope this has been helpful, and please share your secrets for starting whatever you want to start very quickly. And if you have anything that you're struggling with, let me know below this video, and then maybe I can definitely make another video and then assist you all with your questions. Till we talk again, bye.